Education Director of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sarfo Duku Esquire and I all confirm say Kumasi Asante Kotoko following the resignation of coach the tax master Abdukarib Kabute Zito no applications omu receive nyasem keto na applications omu receive no emu dodo na ayeboni coach details and more Sarfo Duku and all confirm this particular story then komodie na kire say a likely say the substantive coach Asante Kotoko ebe appointed after Karim Zito no is going to be an expatriate because Sarfo Duku na num na all confirm it. Edin bebre na say eba bonten say Maso Kunadu say Christopher Enin say Bashiru Hayford but hey omunyina no akoye same old story of appointing local coaches and at the end of the day after 1 year na yasaki omuna records no kire say Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the last 10 years after 14 coaches and yet something good for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Therefore it is about time Kotoko sign a coach in about 3 years now on them rant here na ye adwuma na yahwe results Kotoko benya this time around by maintaining a coach. You see players nentena omoko afibia. How about coaches? Coaches no so yama omomre na yehwe the way club the fortunes of the club will turn around for us because enya pleasant for Kumasi Asante Kotoko for 4 seasons. Kotoko is not winning the league. Season we come here 4 season and season we no ye bon pazen Kotoko beji league no. Na bibia aye kama. Sa Kotoko entiman di league na ebe hadwen. Papa the last time Kotoko di league 2022 under coach Prosper Ogum. Yemfie 9 mu an yewure. Mfie 9 mu an yewure. And IMC no so mfie miensemu no muure. Into this season he failed to win the league. Ebe nim guase kese pa e de ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema ukuma pema apembeba esamutu yemfa nkutwa lutu da Sarfo Duku ene okostwen komo e o Kesben FM ena se Julaka ebusa ne say so far how far na hwan ne appointed no chimu say ono de based on information e kura no Zito resigning enra no Kotoko receive so much application dodo na akoye foreign coaches and on person will be coach Kumasi Asante Kotoko and I think say sa omo apply no Kotoko mfrem no omunyo interview at the end of the day what be coming out as the best near the amount as a foreign coach because this is in common here say foreign coach na ebeboa because players no do na asa into foreign coach ba dey am so so mbeyiro mo